This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the source. Open Settings and go to Camera, then look for Mirror Front Camera and turn it off. This prevents new selfies from saving flipped. Once done, open the Photos app and quickly compare a new selfie to the preview to confirm the change. Make sure to update iOS first if that option is missing, because older versions vary in where the toggle appears. This first step fixes most new photo flips immediately, so you can move to adjusting existing images. Once the camera is configured, lock orientation via Control Center to avoid accidental rotation during capture. This helps when you hold the phone at odd angles. Next, open any flipped photo, tap Edit, choose Crop, then rotate to horizontally flip and correct it. This is how you repair a single image and why Photos preserves edits non-destructively. If you have many flipped images, make sure to use a batch-capable app. It automates the same rotate operation and saves you time without altering original metadata. To finish, save your edits, then inspect the photo details to confirm the orientation tag reflects the change. This ensures other apps show the corrected version. If flipped photos keep appearing, restart the iPhone and recheck the camera and photo settings, because caches or temp glitches can reintroduce the behavior. As a final measure, reset settings or contact Apple support if the toggle is missing or metadata won't update. Troubleshoot step. Try exporting one fixed photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.